Look around in Sunny Hollow. What do you see? Shapes are everywhere. Come look with me. A circle is round like the big yellow sun. Round and round, oh what fun! A square has 4 sides all the same, like a little window in a picture frame. A triangle has 3 sides, count and see. 1, 2, 3, as easy as can be. Circle, square, triangle, 2. Shapes all around for me and you. Star and heart up in the air. Sunny hollow shapes everywhere. A star is twinkling way up high, pointy and bright in the evening sky. A heart is the shape that means I love you. Rexi loves shapes and so do you. Can you find a circle today? Can you find a square? Hip hooray! Circle, square, triangle, 2. Shapes all around for me and you. Star and heart up in the air. Sunny hollow shapes everywhere.